Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add audio to Google Slide. So, let's get started. First, open Google Slides on any browser. Now, open the presentation where you want to add audio. Go to the slide where you want to add audio. Then, click on Insert in the top menu. In the Insert menu, you'll see the Audio option. Click on it. A new window will appear. Here you can choose to insert audio from Google Drive or via URL. Let's go with Google Drive. Choose the audio file from your Google Drive. After selecting the audio file, you can customize the settings. You can choose to have the audio play automatically or when you click on it. Adjust the volume if needed. You'll see an audio icon on your slide. You can move and resize it just like any other object on your slide. You can also use the playback controls that appear on the slide when the audio is selected. Now, click on the slideshow to check it. Present your slides and the audio will play according to your settings. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And there you have it. You have successfully added audio to Google Slide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.